Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free V2Ray TLS SSL server and set it up using the OpenTunnel VPN app. This method helps you bypass internet censorship, secure your connection, and improve browsing speed, all for free. OpenTunnel offers 5 secure connection methods, including direct SSH proxy, SSH SSL plus SSH DNS, SSH, and V2Ray. It's fast, flexible, and super easy to use. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more VPN and tunneling tutorials. Alright, let's begin by creating our V2Ray server. Open your phone's browser and search FastSSH. Tap on the official FastSSH website link. This takes you to the home page. On the top navigation bar, look for the V2Ray option and tap on it. Now, choose your preferred server location, for example, Singapore, US, or Germany. Once selected, click the Create V2Ray Account button. You'll land on the account creation form. Enter your username, tick the reCAPTCHA box, and hit the Create Now button. In just a few seconds, your V2Ray TLS SSL server will be generated. Make sure to copy the server details to your clipboard for use in the next step. Now, let's set it up on the OpenTunnel VPN app. Head over to the Google Play Store. Search for OpenTunnel VPN. Tap Install, and once it's downloaded, open the app. On the app's homepage, you'll see 2 main buttons, SSH and V2Ray. Tap on the V2Ray button. You'll now see an empty box with a clipboard icon beside it. Tap the clipboard icon, and your V2Ray server details will be automatically imported. Once imported, simply hit the large Start button. Within seconds, you'll be connected and ready to browse securely and freely. Want to customize your server or add an SNI? Just tap the Edit button to open a new window. From there, you can modify your settings, then hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully created and connected to a V2Ray server using the OpenTunnel VPN app. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Got questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.